Jonathan Handford from Fine Country, and today I'm in Warwick and I'm at the Marble House. This beautiful Jacobean Grade II star listed property was built circa 1650. It's situated in an enclosed half an acre plot, unusual for Warwick town centre. And inside it's been sympathetically modernised to make it conducive with modern living. In total, there are 3 key reception rooms. There are 6 bedrooms, 4 of which have en suites, and 3 with dressing rooms. And also within the grounds, there is a detached annexe. And in that annexe, there's garaging, there's a gymnasium, there's a cinema, and even an entertainment bar. Come and have a look around this historically significant house. Steeped in history, this iconic building is referenced several times in local historical manuscripts. We understand the house to have been built by Richard Yardley. It was constructed from Ashlar Sandstone, sourced from a local quarry. The main elevation faces west and looks over Warwick Racecourse. Francis Smith was a master builder and architect born in 1671 who died in 1737. Famous for rebuilding significant parts of Warwick after the Great Fire in September 1694, which decimated many of the town's Tudor buildings. Francis was well known for his contribution to many of the local area's significant buildings of interest and churches, including Stoneleigh Abbey and Umberslade Hall, to name a few. It is believed that his mason's yard was situated within the land of the Marble House, whilst it was owned by the Yardley family. It is referred to in his will as My Marble Yard. William Parks, one of the early industrialists of Warwick, inherited the property from his father. He sympathetically extended the house in 1812 in the same Ashlar Sandstone with the addition of 2 symmetrical wings with crenellated parapets. An enormous renovation project has been undertaken, converting the building from commercial premises back to as it was originally designed, a residential family home. It is rare to find a property of this age that has the benefit of being superbly adapted to accommodate modern living standards. The architect has achieved the impossible by retaining so much of the original charm of the building and its history, whilst incorporating changes to the building's flow and use of rooms. The result is a truly unique traditional building that has evolved seamlessly into a practical family home that is conducive to contemporary living. In total, there are 3 key reception rooms, 6 bedrooms, 4 of which have private en suites, and 3 with walk-in dressing rooms. Within the main living quarters, there is a drawing room, family room, dining room, breakfast kitchen, utility study, and cloakroom. Many of the original features of the building have been both preserved and featured in the design, ensuring that the rich heritage has been maintained. The woodwork, wherever possible, has been restored to its former glory. Doors and visible beams have been blasted and stripped back, fireplaces exposed and restored. The original oak floorboards have been restored in many of the key reception rooms and the entrance hallway. Unusual for a house of this age, the property basks in natural light, with many rooms benefiting from multiple windows looking out onto different aspects of the grounds. There are 3 separate glass roof lanterns and a well light to ensure that the building is bright and welcoming. The beautiful windows have been lovingly restored with secondary glazing, incorporating 82 new panels supplied and fitted by Storm Glazing, the same company commissioned to maintain the portfolio of the National Trust. Many of the windows also feature custom designed shutters where restoration of the existing shutters was not possible. As part of the renovation, the current owners have integrated several changes, including LED downlighting with dimmer switches, mains lamp lighting, category 5 cabling, integrated sound system with Sonos and ceiling mounted speakers, a zoned alarm system. The en-suites all have underfloor heating, and the building also benefits from a fully integrated sprinkler system. Outside, the grounds and gardens have been designed and landscaped by Stratford-upon-Avon-based Susanna Brown, a landscape architect and garden designer. Within the grounds, there is a detached annex. On the ground floor, there is an open plan gymnasium with shower room and a segregated double garage. In 2020, the first floor was converted to incorporate a cinema and entertainment suite with a full bar, games room and kitchen. The town of Warwick and nearby Warwick and Kenilworth Spa offer an excellent array of shops, bars, restaurants and leisure facilities. State and private schooling is within walking distance with Myton, Warwick Prep, Warwick School and Kingsheim. Access to the Midlands motorway network is also within easy reach with nearby M40 and M42 providing access to both the M1 and M6, Birmingham International Airport and also the NEC. The rail link to Birmingham and London Marylebone is available within walking distance to Warwick Station and either from Warwick Parkway or Leamington Spa, which are both a short drive away. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tour. If you would like a viewing or for more information, contact me on the information that will follow. Have a great day.